Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you guys can see, we are back with yet another hair tutorial. You guys see the highlights on this wig. This wig is so beautiful. So today's tutorial is going to be on the Luvme Hair New Fabulous Beyond Celebrity Style 5x5 Undetectable Invisible Lace Closure Wig. I have it in the 5x5 closure in 22 inches, and you guys, this lace blends in with my scalp so effortlessly, and it's 100% glueless. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this look, then just continue to watch. Alright, so you guys already know how I do. I'm giving you guys a full unboxing. Luvme Hair always sends you everything that you would need to go with your install, as well as a pamphlet as to how to take care of the hair. So make sure you pay attention to that. Alright, so here is the wig. This wig is giving luxury, okay? So once again, it's Luvme Hair New Fabulous Beyond Celebrity Style 5x5 Undetectable Invisible Lace Closure Wig. I have the 5x5 lace closure in 22 inches. So just so you guys know, the lace is super transparent. The wig gives you more versatility. It's a glueless install, no glue, no spray. It's 100% comfortable, a flawless melt with scalp, and you can use this wig as a protective style because you're able to just throw it on, take it off whenever you want to, while your hair is currently in braids or twists or however you normally do your natural hair. Me personally, I do twists, so glueless wigs are always my go-to whenever it comes to protective styling. And just so you guys know, I don't know if you saw it in the other clip, but the elastic band strap that is sewed onto this wig is actually adjustable, so you can make it tighter or looser. That way the wig is fitting to your head the way that you would like it, making it very easy for you to do a glueless install. Alright, so now I'm just going to go in with my wax stick, which is like my holy grail, and my hot comb, and I'm going to slick this baby back because I'm going to cut off the additional lace. Now, I am going to give you guys some close-ups of the lace while I'm doing that. The lace is super transparent, like it just melts into my skin, so I want you guys to pay attention to that. Okay, so not that I really needed to, but I'm just adding some makeup onto the edges of that lace just to make it even more blended, you know what I mean? But other than that though, like the lace looks absolutely amazing. Just so you guys know, the lace does come pre-plucked. I forgot to mention that earlier. The lace does come pre-plucked, and the density is 150% density if you were wondering. This hair, you guys, is so silky and is so smooth. And honestly, I hope you guys can see how shiny it is through the camera because I did not put any product on this hair besides the wax stick, and when I was curling my hair, which you guys will see later on, I did use a little bit of hairspray, but I didn't use a product to further the shine in this wig. That is just the quality of this hair. So this wig is definitely giving high-end luxury. Alright, so the wig is looking pretty flat. I'm satisfied with it, so I'm going to go ahead and style it. So I did one side off camera, and now I'm just going to show you guys how I did the other side. I'm just using my curling iron, girl, just using my curling iron. I did use a little bit of the Got To Be Glue hairspray. I wish I had my other hairspray, but I had just ran out. So I was stuck with this one, so I only used a little bit of it. I just used it to get rid of the flyaways and just to really make the curls pop. But I'm gonna let you guys watch and I'll come back towards the end. All right, you guys see those curls? You guys see those curls? The curls are beautiful. So now I'm just taking a wide tooth comb and I'm going to gently comb it out because I have the tendency to be a little bit rough with my curls, so I'm trying not to. But Luvme Hair will always be one of my favorite hair brands. Like, their hair always gives top quality. The hair never misses. I've never had an issue with their wigs. And you guys, if you're looking for beginner friendly wigs, I highly recommend Luvme Hair because majority of their wigs come ready to install. Like, if you don't want to bleach the knots, you really don't have to. If you don't want to pluck, majority of their wigs are pre-plucked and the hair is top-notch quality, and they specialize in glueless wigs. So I highly recommend checking them out if you are just starting out in wigs, or if you want to switch over to the glueless wig side, because a lot of girls are not feeling the glue installs anymore. Me personally, I never was. That's why I always use spray. But Luvme Hair is that girl, okay? So make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have a discount code for you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, and thank you so much to Luvme Hair for sponsoring another video of mine. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys next time.